Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2024 Catalina Legacy Edition 263 BHSC KLE. Bunkhouse slide, center kitchen, Legacy Edition. Let's find out. We have the BAL auto level system on the front. All you do is you push a button, 3-point auto level. Very, very cool. Battery disconnect, power tongue jack, full pass-through storage. There's our one slide. Hot and cold outside shower. And it's got a little clip on the side so you can go hands-free. Black tank flush. We have the BAL gear rack on the back. You can put a couple 100 pounds on that, and that also folds up tight to the back of the trailer. Prepped for an observation camera, and we already have the mount for the Lippert on-the-go ladder. It's a collapsible ladder. It stores up real nice. We can get them here for you also. Camp kitchen, griddle, mini fridge, extra storage, solid entry step, power awning with LED light strip, and of course the awesome new safety rail. This is very cool. We have our double bunks in the back, and they have USB ports on both bunk areas. Our shower, U-shaped dinette that will drop down to a bed also. Their new couch, this is very cool. Bed, chase lounge, or you fold it back into a couch, and there's storage underneath. Fireplace. There's our JBL stereo system. Inside and outside speakers. Our Google TV. Lots of storage here. 12-volt refrigerator, freezer. On-off switch is right here on the side. It's off. And for all you RV geeks, this is new. Yes, new on-off switch. Very cool. 3-burner cooktop range oven, deep basin farm sink, microwave, and our front bedroom. Lots of storage here. Shelving on both sides of the bed with USB and outlets. Your own private entry door and a closet. Unit is prepped for a TV in the back also. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.